A gaming powerhouse. The ASUS ROG Strix GA15 is a gaming desktop designed for serious gamers who crave top-notch performance and cutting-edge technology. ASUS is a trusted name in gaming, known for its Republic of Gamers or ROG line. This brand has consistently delivered high-quality gaming products that meet the needs of both casual and professional gamers. The GA15 continues this tradition with powerful hardware and a sleek design. It features the latest processors and graphics cards, ensuring that it can handle the most demanding games and applications with ease. This review will dive deep into its features, performance, and value proposition. We'll explore how it performs in real-world gaming scenarios and whether it offers good value for its price. The ASUS ROG Strix GA15 targets gamers who demand high performance. It is built to deliver smooth gameplay, even in the most graphically intensive games. It is ideal for demanding games, streaming, and content creation. Whether you're live streaming your gameplay or editing high-resolution videos, the GA15 has the power to handle it all. The GA15 offers different configurations to suit various budgets. You can choose from a range of options to find the perfect balance between performance and cost. Whether you're a casual gamer or a hardcore enthusiast, the GA15 has something to offer. Its versatility makes it a great choice for anyone looking to upgrade their gaming setup. It aims to provide a smooth and immersive gaming experience. With its powerful hardware and advanced cooling system, you can enjoy long gaming sessions without any performance issues. Stay tuned to discover if it lives up to its promises. We'll be putting the GA15 through its paces to see if it truly is the gaming powerhouse it claims to be. Under the hood power and performance. The ASUS ROG Strix GA15 boasts impressive specifications. It is powered by AMD's Ryzen processors, offering a range of options. You can choose from the Ryzen 5 to the powerful Ryzen 9 CPUs. These processors deliver exceptional performance for gaming and multitasking. The GA15 doesn't skimp on graphics either. It comes equipped with NVIDIA GeForce RTX graphics cards. Choose from the RTX 3060 to the top-tier RTX 3080. These GPUs provide stunning visuals and smooth frame rates. The combination of a powerful CPU and GPU makes the GA15 a gaming beast. It can handle the latest AAA titles with ease. Whether you're exploring open worlds or engaging in fast-action gameplay, the GA15 won't disappoint. Graphics prowess unleashing visual brilliance. The ASUS ROG Strix GA15 takes gaming visuals to the next level, offering an unparalleled experience for gamers. Its NVIDIA GeForce RTX graphics cards deliver realistic graphics and immersive gameplay, making every frame come to life with stunning detail. Experience ray tracing, which simulates the behavior of light in real time, adding a new layer of depth and realism to your games. This technology creates stunning reflections, shadows, and lighting effects, transforming your gaming environment into a visually captivating world. The GA15 also supports DLSS, or Deep Learning Supersampling, a revolutionary technology that enhances your gaming visuals. DLSS uses AI to upscale games to higher resolutions, ensuring that even the most demanding games run smoothly. This technology boosts performance without sacrificing visual quality, allowing you to enjoy the best of both worlds. You can enjoy smooth frame rates even at high resolutions, making your gaming experience seamless and uninterrupted. The graphics card options cater to different needs and budgets, ensuring that every gamer can find the perfect match for their setup. For casual gamers, the RTX 3060 provides a great balance of performance and affordability, making it an excellent choice for those who want quality without breaking the bank. Hardcore gamers can opt for the RTX 3080 for the ultimate visual experience, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in gaming graphics. Memory and storage speed and space. These are the two critical components that can make or break your gaming experience. The ASUS ROG Strix GA15 offers ample memory and storage options, designed to cater to both casual gamers and hardcore enthusiasts. It comes with up to 32 gigabytes of DDR4 RAM, ensuring smooth multitasking. This means you can run multiple applications without any hiccups. Run demanding games, stream your gameplay, and browse the web simultaneously without lag. The high-speed RAM ensures that your system remains responsive even under heavy load. For storage, the GA15 offers a combination of options, giving you the flexibility to choose what suits your needs best. You can choose from a 512GB NVMe SSD to a 1TB HDD. The NVMe SSD is perfect for those who prioritize speed and performance. The SSD provides lightning-fast boot times and game loading speeds, making sure you spend less time waiting and more time playing. The HDD offers ample storage space for your games, files, and media. It's an excellent choice for those who need a lot of space without compromising too much on speed. The GA15 allows you to expand your storage in the future. This means you can start with what you need now and upgrade as your requirements grow. It has additional slots for adding more RAM and storage drives, making it a future-proof investment. This flexibility ensures that the GA15 can keep up with your growing gaming needs. Whether you're adding more games, creating content, or simply need more space, the GA15 has you covered. Section 5. Design and build, a gamer's aesthetic. The ASUS ROG Strix GA15 boasts a sleek and stylish design that screams gaming. Its chassis features sharp angles, aggressive lines, and customizable RGB lighting. The transparent side panel showcases the powerful components inside. The GA15's build quality is exceptional. The chassis is sturdy and well-built, ensuring durability. The components are neatly arranged and easily accessible for upgrades. The front panel features convenient ports for easy connectivity. The GA15's design is not just about looks, it also serves a functional purpose. The vents and air intakes are strategically placed for optimal airflow. This design helps to keep the components cool during intense gaming sessions. Section 6. Cooling efficiency, keeping it cool under pressure. The ASUS ROG Strix GA15 features an efficient cooling system to prevent overheating. It utilizes ASUS's intelligent cooling technology, which optimizes fan speeds based on system load. The GA15 has multiple heat zones to dissipate heat effectively. It has dedicated heat sinks for the CPU and GPU, ensuring optimal thermal performance. The fans are designed to operate quietly, even under heavy load. The GA15's cooling system allows it to maintain peak performance even during extended gaming sessions. You won't experience thermal throttling, which can lead to performance drops. Section 7. Connectivity and ports options galore. The ASUS ROG Strix GA15 offers a wide range of connectivity options. It has multiple USB ports for connecting peripherals and accessories. It includes both USB Type-A and Type-C ports for versatility. The GA15 also features a DisplayPort and HDMI port for connecting to external displays. It has an Ethernet port for a stable internet connection during online gaming. The audio jacks allow you to connect headphones and microphones. The GA15's connectivity options ensure that you can connect all your gaming peripherals without any hassle. Whether you're using a gaming headset or an external hard drive, the GA15 has you covered. Section 8. Software experience, Armoury Crate and more. The ASUS ROG Strix GA15 comes with ASUS's Armoury Crate software. Armoury Crate provides a centralized hub for monitoring and customizing your system. With Armoury Crate, you can adjust system settings such as fan speeds and RGB lighting. You can also create performance profiles for different games and applications. Armoury Crate also provides access to ASUS's other software utilities. The GA15 software experience enhances its overall usability and customization options. Armoury Crate gives you complete control over your system's performance and aesthetics. Section 9. Value and competition, price to performance ratio. The ASUS ROG Strix GA15 offers excellent value for its price. It provides powerful performance, a sleek design, and a host of features at a competitive price point. Compared to other gaming desktops in its class, the GA15 offers a great balance of performance and affordability. It outperforms many competitors in its price range, making it a smart choice for budget-conscious gamers. The GA15's value proposition is further enhanced by its upgradability. You can easily upgrade its components in the future, extending its lifespan and saving you money in the long run. Section 10. The verdict, is it worth your money? The ASUS ROG Strix GA15 is a highly capable gaming desktop that delivers on its promises. Its powerful hardware, stunning visuals, and efficient cooling system make it an excellent choice for gamers of all levels. Whether you're a casual gamer or a hardcore enthusiast, the GA15 provides an exceptional gaming experience. Its competitive price point and upgradability make it a wise investment. If you're in the market for a new gaming desktop, the ASUS ROG Strix GA15 is definitely worth considering. Section 11, Final Thoughts, a gaming beast. The ASUS ROG Strix GA15 is a testament to ASUS's commitment to gaming excellence. It combines powerful performance, a stylish design, and a plethora of features to create a truly immersive gaming experience. Whether you're exploring vast open worlds or engaging in intense eSports battles, the GA15 won't disappoint. Its competitive price point and upgradability make it a future-proof investment for any gamer. If you demand the best in gaming performance, the ASUS ROG Strix GA15 is a top contender.